welcome back to another video here on the channel. My name is Sarah Michaels. I am your tech guru person here, and in this video we're going to be covering Dooplicate, the funnel building platform. Honestly, it is actually like my very favorite platform to build on right now. If you are having issues with your domain connecting and you keep getting this error message, I'm going to show you how to fix this. It took me like 6 mother freaking hours, but I got it figured out. And there's a couple of things that I'm going to show you what to do and what not to do that are causing you to get this message. Okay, and I've got my handy dandy little thing right here. So first thing that I want you to do is I want you to pull up your Dooplicate dashboard. Okay, so if we go back here and you go to the Sites tab and you click on this gear here on the top of the page, this is where you're going to get to your domain tab. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Add a New Domain button. Now, the next thing that you want to have pulled up is your GoDaddy dashboard. If you have purchased it from somewhere else, just obviously use whatever dashboard or use whatever, place it is where you purchased your thing from. I happen to really love where the hell? Okay, here it is. I happen to really love GoDaddy, and so that's what I use and recommend. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to get to the DNS manager. So however you get there, just click around until it takes you to this screen. Okay, now on this screen right here, what I want to do is I want to go in and delete all of these. I want to delete the A record and any of the C name record, and we're just going to start fresh. Now, don't ask me why. I've never had to do this with any other platform that I've connected to, but apparently Dooplicate is very picky. So we're going to go in and we're going to delete the A and both of the C name records. Okay, so clean slate. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go back to our Dooplicate dashboard. And in this thing where it says add your domain, here is the trick. If you are typing in www dot whatever your site name is. So for example, oh my gosh, I've got my claws up. I just launched Instant Funnel Magic and it's like got purple on it and it's so cute. It's adorable graphics, but these nails are a real B to type in. Instantfunnelmagic.com. Okay, instantfunnelmagic.com. If I am using the full domain with the www in front, then I have to do a C name record. Okay, I have to do a C name. If for any reason I type www and try to use an A record, it will not work. It will give me one of the messages that looks something like this on that page. Okay. If I want to do, sorry, I'm getting like messages from my team. If I want to use the A name record, then I delete the www and just type in Instant Funnel Magic, and then I will use the A record. Okay, and then what I'm going to do. So, for example, for this now, and the other thing that I found is, in my opinion, personally, I would recommend that you add an A record and then you copy and paste the number. For some reason, the C name records have just been a little bit more finicky. So personally, I would do and go in and do the A record. Okay, so that means you're going to just do instant, whatever your course name is, no www in front. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the domain manager and I'm going to click on add. I'm just going to add an A record. I'm going to type in the @ symbol, and then I'm going to paste that number, whatever number is right here. Okay, the A record goes to the number, paste that in there and click on add record. Okay, now this is updating the DNS record. It can take 1 to 48 hours to go through, so just keep that in mind. Sometimes it takes the full 48 hours. Do not be peeved off if it does take that long, okay? So then what we're going to go do is we're going to go in here and we're going to go ahead and click on add. And the next thing that we're going to do is select a domain for the funnel. I'll go ahead and connect it to Instant Funnel Magic. And I'm going to say I want to do the request access page. So when it asks, set the default funnel step, what it's asking is, hey, what page do you want people to land on when they go here. Usually that's going to be your opt-in page, okay? So I'm going to go to this one and then I'm going to click on link domain. Now, if for some reason you've done these steps, exactly what I just told you, and it's not working, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go back to your dashboard, go to the sites tab and pull up that individual site. So for example, I'm going to pull up my Instant Funnel Magic site page and I'm going to go to the settings and I just want to make sure that it's connected here in the domain, because for some reason what's happening is sometimes the domain, even though you connected it, it wasn't landing. And so then you'll go in here, save it, and you'll be good to go. So now that should do it. Obviously it can take up to 48 hours, but now if I go to instantfunnelmagic.com, somebody will land on this page. Yes, which is exciting. Okay, so there you have it. By the way, this is my shameless plug. Instant Funnel Magic is my course. If you are watching this video, please consider this my invitation, my gift to you. If you go to instantfunnelmagic.com, you can get it, and you can also get my personal swipe file and the funnels that I have personally built out and used for my own team. Okay, so if you go to instantfunnelmagic.com, if you want my funnels that I've built for our team, one of the funnels, one of our girls just used, she had 100 enrollments in 1 week, which is really awesome. You can get those exact funnels when you go there and you get the course. And again, that is my gift to you. So thank you so much for watching this. The other thing is, if you want to check out any of the other bonuses and goodies listed down below, I have a business resource vault. That's pretty cool. Everything I use and recommend in business, as long as some of the best discounts out there that my team put together. So if this video was helpful, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel here, where I'm showing you all of the tech and setup to build your online business, automate it, and live your life. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.